In the heart of every home, where laughter intertwines with the aroma of morning coffee, there's a jar that holds more than just chocolate. It cradles memories, sweet moments, and the essence of togetherness. Today, we invite you into a world where joy spreads as easily as Nutella on warm toast. But here's the real question: how is Nutella actually made? Join us on a mesmerizing journey through the mesmerizing world of Nutella production. We'll unravel the mouth-watering secrets behind its creation, exploring the science, the craftsmanship, and the passion that goes into each and every jar. In the heart of the Ivory Coast, where the sun kisses the cocoa trees, workers brave the extreme heat to harvest the raw cocoa beans. These precious beans are then laid out like sunbathing sunflowers, soaking up the tropical sun for 10 days until they are perfection itself. Once dried, they embark on a global adventure, traveling to places like Europe where they're destined for the ovens. Now here's where the magic really happens. The beans, rich with cocoa butter, are roasted until they turn into a heavenly liquid paste. But wait, how do you manage to apply this liquid gold to your toast without creating a gooey mess? Well, here's where the colossal presses come into play, meticulously extracting every ounce of cocoa butter, resulting in the creation of pristine, compact cocoa discs. They might look like makeup blocks, but trust me, these are a chocolate lover's dream come true. Now here's a question for you. Crunchy or smooth? The eternal debate in the chocolate spread universe. It's like choosing between stars and the moon. Both are heavenly in their own way, right? Now, let's talk about hazelnuts. Picture this. In a special place, machines blow away the bad nuts, keeping only the good ones. These lucky nuts team up with cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla, and skimmed milk in a big tank. They all mix together and become that smooth, amazing paste that people all around the world love so much. It's like magic for your taste buds. Fun fact time. Did you know there are about 50 nuts in each jar of your favorite spread? Quality control takes this seriously, ensuring no bad nuts spoil the party. A special guillotine, wielded by our quality hero, ensures only the best nuts make the cut. After this meticulous selection, they are cleaned, roasted, and prepared to join their chocolatey counterparts. If you're enjoying this chocolicious adventure, why not sprinkle some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel? Just like the perfect chocolate spread, your support makes our world a little sweeter. Hold on, the excitement isn't over yet. We're just beginning our adventure. Think about huge tanks filled with this delicious spread, all set to go out into the world. But they need something to hold them, right? That's where recycled glass and big furnaces come into play. These furnaces work non-stop, making tons of jars every day. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Nutella is so loved that it sells more than all peanut butter brands combined. Can you believe it? It's like a chocolatey revolution taking over the world. Now let me tell you, this is where the magic truly peaks. The molten glass, looking like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, is carefully shaped into jars. Each blob is sent into a mold and pressed into that familiar jar shape you recognize. A machine makes sure the lid's threads are just right. Then, under a dance of flames, any imperfections vanish, sealed away like secrets in a vault. But hang on, we're not finished yet. These jars need to be flawless, without a hint of condensation or moisture. So they rest in a room set at 30 degrees Celsius for 2 days. It's like they're having a cozy little vacation, ensuring they're in perfect shape for the big finale. And now, for the grand finale. Lids, sorted with incredible precision, are placed on the patiently waiting jars. But how, you wonder, does that airtight seal come into play in this jar of liquid gold? Well, a genius machine applies a layer of glue onto the rim. As the lids are added, this glue captures the seal, making sure every single jar is perfectly airtight and all set to bring joy to your taste buds. Tell us about a unique food pairing you've tried with chocolate spread. And have you ever tried making your own chocolate spread at home? Share your secret recipe in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon.